In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use filters in Smartsheet. Let's start on your project sheet in Smartsheet. Go ahead and open the sheet where you track your work, tasks, or project plan. Make sure you're in the main grid view so you can see all your columns and rows clearly. Filters are especially helpful when your sheet has a lot of information, and you only want to focus on a specific subset of rows. At the top of the sheet, look for the filter option in the toolbar. Click on Filter to open the filter panel. This is where you can choose existing filters or build new ones that narrow down what you see based on criteria you define. Next, click on Add a Filter. This tells Smartsheet that you want to create a new custom filter from scratch. A panel or dialog will appear where you can set up the conditions for your filter, like which column to use and what values you want to include or exclude. For this example, we're going to filter using the Dependencies column. In the filter setup, click on the field that lets you pick a column and choose Dependencies. This column usually indicates which task depends on another task, and it's really useful when you want to focus on items that are linked together in your project plan. Now, within that Dependencies filter, choose Task 2 as the value. This means you're telling Smartsheet to only show rows where the Dependencies column is set to Task 2. Once this is applied, your sheet will update and only display the tasks that meet that condition, helping you quickly see all work related to that dependency. Once you're happy with how the filter looks, it's a good idea to save it so you can reuse it later. Go back to the filter controls and click on Saved Filters. This section is where all your reusable filters will live, making it easy to switch views without rebuilding them each time. From there, click on Save Filter. A small window will appear asking you to name your new filter. Type in Highlight as the name. Giving filters clear, descriptive names helps you and your team understand what each filter shows at a glance. Finally, click on Save to confirm. Your new filter is now stored under Saved Filters and can be turned on whenever you need to highlight tasks that depend on Task 2.